And we're back. Day 2, episode 2. Building my track. Last episode, just got a bunch of dirt moved. This episode, actually gonna start building some stuff. Hold on one second. Rock. We're gonna start building some stuff. I'm gonna start with up here. I don't think I'll get to the sand today. I'll leave that for tomorrow. Hopefully I can get everything done up here. We're gonna start with the tabletop, making the face of landing, and then the jump after it. All this dirt. We're gonna start with that, make this a double, down into the bottom, and then when we're done with that, we're gonna move on to the step up out of the bottom where all that dirt is. So yeah, I guess let's just get right into it, yeah? Start building some jumps. Actually make this into a track instead of just a bunch of piles of dirt. It is so cold right now. I just decided to go for it and do that whole back section too. This ended up taking a lot longer than I had anticipated. I had to do a lot of cleanup stuff too. Move a little bit more dirt than I had originally planned. So yeah, it took a little bit longer. So I am done for today and I'll show you real quick what I made. Woohoo, it's cold. Okay, so this jump down into the bottom, I don't think I built it at a good enough angle because it's jumping kind of that way. Look, it's like a turning jump, and let me go up to the top of the tabletop and you'll get a better view of what I'm talking about. So you see what I mean? It's like a turning left jump. I just don't think I built the face at a angle, like a good enough angle that way. So we'll see. I'll still ride it like that, but I might eventually have to fix it. So yeah, the face is kind of pointed to land over there, not over there, but it'll be okay, I think. And then the landing for it, I think you saw it good enough with the time lapse. It's pretty big, it's good landing. Made it nice and wide, so I think it'll work just fine. And then the takeoff for the step up. When I first built it, it was really tall. And for the jump face to be tall like that, I would need like 3 times as much dirt on the landing to make it twice as tall. So I cut it down a little bit. It still seems kind of big. I think it'll work. Like I said, the landing didn't have as much dirt as I thought. Should be interesting. If you come up short, it's not gonna feel very good. We're gonna come out of the sand. We're gonna hit this thing, step up. Oh, come on, focus. Land there. And then yeah, all this, I had to clean all this up. That was a pain, it took a while. And you land here, it's not the prettiest landing. You go straight, you turn right. And I wasn't sure what I was gonna make over here, but I ended up just making some like roller things, I guess. I think it'll actually end up being a pretty cool section. So yeah, there's a small roller, and then it's like 2 little bit taller into a smaller one again. And then like I said earlier, I wanted to make 2 singles going into that next corner where the second one was bigger than the first one, to be hard, because you're not going to be able to jump over it, so it just makes it more difficult, more tiring kind of thing going into that corner. I can't believe how cold it is right now. Go from the rollers, hit these 2 little roller things, and I wanted to make it so that when you came off this, instead of just going straight into the rollers by the fence like the one of the last tracks used to be, it kind of does a little S turn to slow you down before going into it. It's just not so fast that way. Yeah, that's all I got done today. I wanted to be able to build all those piles of dirt in the face of the tabletop, but that did not end up happening, so have to come out tomorrow to do all that. Hopefully it doesn't snow. It kind of seems like it's going to. It is so cold, and we got some clouds. And if it does snow, maybe it won't be too much and I can keep working on the track, but either way, I'll come back out tomorrow, the next day, whenever the next day I can come out to keep working on the track. So yeah, I'll see you whenever. Oh, it's so cold. It ended up snowing. It's a couple days later. Some of the snow has melted. There's not a ton I'm gonna do today. Pretty much just try to get some of these piles of dirt built into something. So yeah, oh man, it's cold. Wow, yep, okay, I'm gonna go do that. Okay, I got done what I wanted to get done today. Like always, it's not the best. I needed like twice as much dirt for the jump as I'd had. Landing's a little small. Takeoff is real skinny. Didn't mean to do that, but it'll work. This is a private track. This isn't a public track. So if it works for me, then it's fine. I don't really care. Yeah, everything is a little skinny. So coming out of the corners, got a little single into a really small one into pretty much a non-existent one. And then a super skinny face. And there's the landing. So it'll work. I don't feel like making the face to the tabletop yet. So that's it. I'm done for today. Gonna go watch some Supercross. It's Saturday. Yeah, okay. I don't know when I'm coming back out. So I'll see you whenever I come back out.